video. Mag-unbox po ako ng aking in-order sa Lazada. Here I have 4 package. 1 big, medium, and 2 small box. Yan. So, bago tayo mag-unbox, atin munang isa-sanitize. Hirap na. Alam niyo naman, pandemic. Maigi na nag-iingat. Yan, nasanitize na natin lahat. So, lagay muna natin sa isang tabi at isa-isa natin buksan. Kaya magsimula muna tayo dito sa pinakamalaki. Kailangan natin ng tape. Yan. Alam ko, excited kayo kung ano ang laman nito. This is a filter. Ay, sakin na natin. This is a filter for our purifier, air purifier. The booklet. Hindi ko muna siya open kasi kalilinis ko lang ng filter ng air purifier namin. So, hindi ko muna siya ikakabit. Pero I show you how I install the filter inside the air purifier. So for those who have air purifier like me, you can buy this at Lazada. Like that. I show you there. Our next package. Oh, this one I ordered from Sweden. Life begins at home in every moment. Oh, give me. Oh, if you want to order, you can get 20% off. I got thank you card from there. How to get 20% off voucher? Step 1, feedback 5-star. Step 2, follow our store. Step 3, message us to get the voucher. Here's the procedure. How to get 20% off. The packaging is nice. Very thick. This bubble wrap is good para hindi mabasag yung ating jar. I have 1,800 ml jar. Then the other one is 1,300 ml jar. See? See the difference? Let's open up. to open. Easy to open. Oh, easy to open. You can put your flour, your what, baking powder or whatever cake flour you want to put inside, or maybe your pasta, your macaroni pasta, you can put inside. So put back first. So this one, oh, this one bigger one. So this one you can put your spaghetti pasta. Nice, I like. And the quality good, thick. Next is box. Oh, so this one I order for my husband. This one is some kind of hair treatment for people who don't have hair, want to grow hair, something like that lah. And my husband using this one for quite so long already lah. Very long already. I started ordering this one last December 2020. It's like this, and it's easy to use. Then you just press here, then spray like that to your hair. Like so. Let's proceed to our last box. I think this one is my one. Oh, this one is my one. Oh, Korean fresh. What is this? Napkin. Got free napkin. This one is Purbasari Lulu Mandi for bathing. It's a body scrub. The flavor is aloe vera. It has many variants. This one have I think 6 color go, white, purple, then have wait, I show you here, okay? And this one is made from Indonesia. Aloe vera plus vitamin E body scrub. Very nice. When you use this one, you scrub to your body, then after, but very smooth. So, yan guys. Ayan na yung mga na-order ko sa Lazada. So guys, hanggang dito na lang yung video na to. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung pag-unboxing ko na in-order ko sa Lazada. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!